Hello everybody! In this course we will be building this chat system. So if you enter your username here, okay, and you click login, you can see that it says the MMZ has connected, okay, and in here this area shows or lists the online users. So if you type something like hey, it shows your message. Let's actually connect another session in here and say whatever. You can see that whatever has connected and it lists the online users, and you see here whatever has connected. So if you type something like hey whatever, you can see it here as well. You can type hey dude, and you can see it here as well as here. So we will be building this chat system using Node.js, Express.js, Socket.io, and jQuery. Thanks for watching.